15. september 2023. Greva na Grintovce, zbrala sva tale del, ki se mu reče Potaški gor in je že kar malo zaplezati, ampak ni nič zelo hudega, lepo, dokaj lepo urejena potka, stopničke in tako naprej. Je pa kar strmo, če se boste odločili tisti z manj kodice, se da še okrog iti, se reče po stari poti. Ampak sva rekla, da greva te gor po stari poti, popolno zdaj dol, pride pa v bistvu od zgori na isto točko skup pod Zoisovo kočo. Hi guys, today we are heading to the highest mountain in Slovenia in Kilovac Sierra region called Grintovce, 2500, I think 58 meters. I forget to look how high it is. We are just out of the most steep part of this trail, so from now on I think we are okay. The trip, if you are very in good physical shape, from the place where we park the car, you can make it in 3.5 hours, but I think we will need about 4 or maybe 4.5 hours. We will see to the top of that mountain. Actually, this is one of the best, if not the best, contest, the VHF location you can imagine, but there's nothing on, no lodge, no hut, no nothing. So I hope we will make it, and I will try to make a little bit more movies on the trail up there. The weather is again fantastic. Today it is 29th of September 2023. I think I hear some wind, but according to our meteorological charts there shouldn't be any problem also with the wind up there. We will see. So let's see what is on the plate. Boža, say hello.
Hello.
Hello, this is my wife. And this is another one which, if the weather will permit, we'll try to do it this year. Jezerska Kočna, it is Sugar 5 Kilovac Sierra, I think 002. You need 3 hours from here to there. And we will came first to the Zoisova Koča, which means Zoisov hut, and we still need 45 minutes to there. Okay, 73 S57S/portable. Bye for now. This tray is really very nice. You can relax. So we are about, I don't know, half hour to the Zoisova Lodge. And from there I think we have another, I don't know, 3 hours maybe. We will see. See you. Evo, prišla smo na Zoisovo Kočo po 2 urah, cirka pa 10 minut. Imam celo tovorno žičnico, kar sploh nisem vedel, da imam. Super. Ta je ena izmed boljših, bolj zrihtanih koč. Zdaj bo pa zdaj sendvič padel. One hour 50 minutes to the summit. There it is, Grintovce, Sierra 5 Kilo Sierra 001, 2558 meters high. Zelo lep del poti s temi prečudovitimi zlizanimi skalami. pot na Grintac. Sva pa nekje, kaj pa vem, 200 metrov nad kočo, kaj takega ali pa še več. Vidnost glih ni najboljša. Ampak dan je pa lep. Bo še Boža malo poslikala. Tam gor nekam, aha, po mojem, da gre tam gor okrog potka. Tak, pa na vrh. Nekam hitro nama gre, Zoisova koča je že spodaj, tle gor so prišla zzk. In zdaj naprej gor po lepi potki. We are a few meters over now, higher than the lodge, and this is a really nice trail. Nothing special, no steel wires or something, and you can see the weather is great. I'm so happy that we choose this date, I mean today, for this mountain. We're getting closer and closer. Huh, guys, what do you say? What weather? Blue sky and some plane there. And look down to the lodge. One day some native speaker, please explain me what's the difference between lodge and hut. I think hut is smaller and lodge is bigger, where you can sleep overnight, maybe something like that. This must be Skuta, maybe Kilo Sierra 003, I don't know exactly. Another new one for me, maybe this year. Let's hope for the good weather. And now the fun begun. And up there. A little bit more to the peak. We're getting closer and closer. Okay, summit to summit, summit to summit, go. Summit to summit station, you are extremely weak. Summit to summit, go.
Yeah, it's just Delta Lima 1. Delta Lima 1 is calling you. Please listen. Delta Lima 1, summit to summit. Go, Cristo, go.
Is that Delta Lima 1 Charlie radio portable?
Summit to summit, Alexander. Summit to summit. How you are? 4x4. 4x4. QSL?
Okay, Delta Lima 1 Charlie radio portable. Hello Chris, you are 5x7. 57, give me your reference.
Yeah, Roger. My reference today. Delta Mike. November Sierra. Number 1. Number 2. Well known reference. QSL?
Yeah, okay, and I'm on the Sierra, Kilo Sierra 001, the highest peak at the Kamniško-Savinske Alpe, okay?
Yeah, Roger. Heard you very well at this moment. You are 4. Enjoy your music trip and enjoy with back safely. QSL?
Yeah, it's not that difficult. This peak is not that difficult, but it takes about 4 hours from the car up there. a little less, something like that. 73, please. There are another summit to summit.
Chris 5 up, Oscar Echo 6 course, November Delta. Listening.
Listening, people, listening. Okay, let me first pick Oscar Echo 6 Golf November Delta. Oscar Echo 6 Golf November Delta, 59.
Okay, thank you very much. 5 and 9 also. 59 Alexander, good luck.
Dankeschön, 73. And listen, stand by, only summit to summit. Another hill to hill.
Sierra Victor 2 Romeo Uniform Japan Portable Alexander. Sierra Victor 2 Romeo Uniform Japan Portable QSL.
Sierra Victor 2 Romeo Uniform Japan, hello to the Greece, you're 5 by 7. 5 by 7, QSL.
QSL, you are 5, your signal code QSL.
I need your reference, over.
Roger, my SOTA reference, Sierra Victor Tango Lima 0873 Alexander, QSL.
Yes, QSL, Cyrus, no problem, I got it, 73, thank you, bye-bye.
Sierra Victor 3, Bravo November, Alpha 7, Golf, Sierra Victor 3, India, Echo Golf.
Okay, stand by, everybody stand by, do not call, I will call you. Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo November, 5 by 9.
Roger, Alexander, congratulations for this activation. You're 5 by 9 also,
Roger, thank you very much, Christian, 73. Now, Echo Alpha 7, Golf Victor, 5 by 9.
Hello, Alex, very good there. Good afternoon, 5-5, your report, 73, thank you for SOTA.
Okay, thank you, stand by, listen. Sierra Victor 3, India Echo Golf, 5-9.
Roger, Sierra Victor 3, India Echo Golf 5 and 8, thank you very much, 73, bye.
93, thank you, S57S Portable, CQ SOTA, now call.
Sierra Alpha 4, Bravo Lima, Mike.
Okay, stand by, I will call you. Sierra Alpha 4, Bravo Lima Mike, 5-9.
Roger, hi Alex, thanks 5 and 9, your report is also 59. You have an Italian summit to summit in the pile as well. 70, have a good day.
Good day, Jan, thank you. Echo Alpha 6 slash Mike 0 Delta Lima, 5 by 9. QSL, thank you. Now call again.
Charlie Tango 2, Hotel Kilo November.
Charlie Tango 2, Hotel Kilo November, hello to Portugal, you're 5 by 9, over. Evo da je skuta. Zdaj greva pa počasi že nazaj.
Pakalški vrh, ne? Pakalški greben.
Ja, po mojem da ja.
Ja, tisto tam se še pa vidi malo.
Ona pa naslednji cilj, tam če sem bom kdaj upala tja iti. Kočno ima bolj takole triki. Malo so se začele tele meglice podeti, ampak nekam hladno je, sva se ful oblekla gor oba v vetrovko. Pa greva počasi nazaj dol proti Cojzovi koči, pa bo tam kak sendviček, ja. Ne vem, če se vidi tam dole v dolini. Dobro, šibamo dalje. Evo, midva se počasi bližava nazaj do Cojzovi koče, tam bo pa do sendvič. Pa mogoče še kaj. Drugače pa je res malo so se sicer oblake gor, je zeglo sva se oblekla, zdaj pa spet tle v spodaj po steni je pa toplo. Super dan. To je Kaški greben, tisto tam, ko se vidi. Tam od zadaj dol po strmini je pa Krvavec, tisto, ki je po mojem spodnja postaja žičnice. Ja, zelo taka kršljiva pot je, ampak nič kaj tako ekstra napornega. Tale grinta je res ena grinta. Sploh ta zgornji del poti moraš malo paziti, ker je skozi kršljivo. So guys, another successful SOTA activation of S5 Kilo Sierra 001, the highest peak at the KS region called Kamniško-Savinske Alpe in my language. This spot is particularly interesting. Let me show you those fantastic, great boulders came down there from the mountain. I think that during the winter time probably, or after some rain. And there is another one, really nice, and you can see erosion on that boulders there, and that stone, all the way up there from the rain, I guess. So we're quite happy. I have in more than 60 QSOs in my log. I didn't count it exactly, but we take decision to go because the wind starts to blow and some clouds, and it became a little bit cold, so we have to put another clothes on to be okay. So 73, and see you on the next one. S57S/portable S5 Kilo Sierra 001. Bye.